What's going on, everyone, and welcome back to another video. As you can probably tell, we are in Iowa. Just made it down last night. Um, got up early this morning. You guys probably seen the couple clips. We did some scouting this morning on this property we lease out here. It's a big property. It's just a big long field that goes down with draws going down on each side of it. Got out there, and all the spots we were looking to hunt again this year had turkeys in them. They were firing up all down the ridges, so good sign. The season opens up here on Monday. It's Saturday right now, so we got another day of scouting. We'll probably go around do some shed hunting too. I'll probably pick up the camera, get some clips of that. But yeah, we're down here, me and Griff, and then my brother, dad, and one of our family friends. So me and Griff are gonna go out Monday morning. The sad part is I only got Monday morning to hunt, and then I got to get back because I got a baseball game. So I'm gonna try to put in some more scouting tomorrow. We kind of know where we're already gonna sit, but just kind of get the gist of what these birds are doing and be able to close the deal out Monday morning. So we're gonna do some more scouting, but yeah, I'll pick the camera up if we find some sheds. But I will probably see you guys Monday morning when we're heading out. Good morning, everybody. It is April 13th. Just got up and got all ready. Griffin's out by the side by side. I'm about to go meet him out there. Drive out and get out to the spot this morning. Uh, Last couple days have been good. We spotted a lot of turkeys. A lot of them are using buyer stand, so I'm really hoping it pays off because I only got two and a half hours to kill this morning. So um, I'm feeling good. A lot of turkeys in the spot. Um, Last couple days have been fun. Uh, Found a couple sheds. Griffin actually found a really big deadhead, like a 158. So I've been having fun, but now we gotta get in the stand this morning. Hopefully can't kill one. So conditions are pretty good. It's about a 8 mile per hour wind. About 60 degrees, a little humid. It should be like partly cloudy out, so everything's lining up pretty good. So we just gotta hope the birds do their thing this morning. Come right down that road, and hopefully we can get one. So we'll catch you guys in the stand. Alright, so just got in the stand. Been here about 20 minutes, got everything set up. Been hearing a couple gobbles on and off around the couple ridges here, so it should be good. Birds to our north here, and then some couple birds to our south, but I'm sure not all of them have started sounding off, so hopefully there's a couple closer, but we're gonna sit it tight here. It should be pretty good. The conditions are perfect, so we'll sit back and see what happens. pretty crazy because that Tom was, we could hear him drumming clear as day, and he was probably 15, 20 yards here, but the way the windows were and how Griff was on the ground filming out through a hole, so we couldn't get turned around on him. But the Jake came in perfect, and I wasn't about to let this Jake go if I'm only here for 2 hours, so I'm glad we got one on the ground. Little nubs. Sweet. Alright, let's get this guy propped up.